Guys, what's going on? If you've got one of these toilets with this nasty float in here that's all rusted up, and you've got that nasty flapper down there that's leaking and just causing you to spend a bunch of money on water, you need to get one of these Fluidmaster kits. So this all-in-one toilet repair kit, it'll replace all this nasty crap in here and it'll work way better. And this is really cheap. I got this on Amazon. It was super cheap. It comes with everything you need. Right here it tells you install with confidence. It comes with the directions inside of it. Flip over the back of this. There you go. Everything needed to restore and improve your toilet performance. All in one package. This thing was less than 20 bucks. And it'll probably take me, I don't know, about 20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes at the most, to replace all this in here. And as you can hear the toilet leaking. Hear it leaking? Yeah, so we'll get that fixed so my water bill's not 100 bucks anymore. And I'll put a link down below to where you can get this on Amazon. I've used this same kit 2 or 3 times now, and it's worked great. So I highly recommend it. All right, guys, good luck with your toilets. Bye.